Hello, hello.
Ayan, natatawag na nga na.
Hello, hello. Sound check, sound check.
Ayan, natatawag na nga na.
Magtanong ka daw?
Good afternoon, Chico
Bakit
Lando.
ako natatanong? Hello.
Yan, okay na, okay na.
Hello, hello, hello.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Bicolandia, it's the moment that you all have been waiting for. It's the finals, Game 1 of BUCAL Season 5 Juniors Basketball. I'm Aljon Pogoy at makakasama ko sa mainit na bakbakan. Game 1 of the finals, Christine Reyes.
Ayan nga, Aljon, we are now live here again at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and of course sa ating Facebook coverage, we have the BUCAL Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, as well as the One Media. And now, our first game for our finals, it's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Junior Cubs.
So very exciting ang Game 1 ng finals natin because bagong team ang nakapasok sa finals. And take note, this is their first time joining in BUCAL, and wow, first appearance sa finals.
Yan nga, napakaganda nga nung record nila during the elimination. Wala po silang talo up until the semifinals, kung kaya't makakasama natin ang ating ACC Green Serpents. But at the same time, on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, our defending champion, titingnan natin kung ano nga bang aksyon ang ibibigay nila sa atin.
Speaking of action team, the NCF Junior Cubs, we both know that the Junior Cubs really fought so hard, and naalala mo yung laban nila sa Prisaan National where they was able to get the silver medal. So magandang tapatan to, the unbeaten team and the very veteran team sa season 5 ng BUCAL.
Kaya naman, Aljon, naabangan natin yung action na ito dahil nga itong dalawang kupunan nito ang pinakamalakas sa ating juniors basketball. Kaya titingnan natin anong aksyon ang ihahandog ng ating NCF Junior Cubs at ACC Green Serpents.
At syempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga live viewers here, the NCF supporters. And also, I think this is the first time where the ACC had or have their own supporters from their very own school. Wow!
Ayan, ito nga ating NCF Junior Cubs. Ang dami talaga nilang supporters na sumusuporta sa atin ngayong araw. Kaya kasama natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla na may kasama pa. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Teen and Alton. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the most awaited moment of BUCAL Season 5, the Game 1 of the finals. And to tell us about their preparation, we have the team captain of the NCF Cubs, Mr. R.D. Vargas. Hello, R.D. Good afternoon. So, how was your preparation for this game? Dahil nakalaban nyo na dati yung ACC Green Serpents. Kamusta naman yung preparation nyo for this game?
Mas lalo po kami nag-focus sa training. Wala po kaming ibang iniisip. Yung finals lang po na to, lagi po kaming nagatakbo para po hindi agad mapagod sa court.
And since you are the defending champion, gaano nyo ba hinahandle yung pressure about it?
Ano lang po, relax lang. Wag lang po magpadala sa crowd o sa pressure na kinakaharap po namin. Labanan lang po namin.
At dahil ikaw yung team captain for the NCF Cubs, ano ba yung nire-remind mo palagi sa team na alam mong makakatulong sa kanila for this game?
Lagi lang po magtutulungan at saka wag lang po magsisisihan at saka focus lang firme.
At dahil marami ang nanonood sa atin via online, so please invite them to support the NCF Cubs.
Sa mga supporters po namin dyan sa NCF community, manood po kayo sa aming laro ngayon saka kahit sa live po. Yan po.
Thank you so much and best of luck. There you have it, R.D. Vargas, the team captain of the NCF Cubs. This has been Kyla Casulia, your courtside reporter all the way from the NCF Cubs. Back to you, Teen and Alton.
Maraming salamat, Kyla, for that report. So the team captain, Vargas, really remind his fellow to really focus the game kasi mahirap ang pressure bilang isang defending champion, but also they went through a lot of training and hard work. So we'll see if they can continue the reign in the Season 5 of BUCAL.
Ayan nga, Aljon, as for the side of the ACC Green Serpents, napakaganda nung kanilang naging performance since the elimination round. Kaya titinang natin if magiging consistent ba sila. And of course, meron na sila ditong mga crowd kung kaya't mas madadagdagan yung kanilang pressure dito sa atin. Kaya naman napakaganda ang mapapanood natin. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Ten and Aljan. It is bleeding green this afternoon as we are about to witness the fierce finals match between the defending champion, the NCF CUBS, versus the rookie team here in BUCAL Season 5, the Armando Cope College Green Serpents. And to know more about their preparation for the finals, here with me right now is the captain of the Green Serpents, Hans Christian Beltran. Hans, good afternoon. As I've said a while ago, the Junior Green Serpents is a rookie team dito sa BUCAL. Now you're competing for the finals. How does it feel that you've reached such milestone?
Masaya po kami kasi unang sali namin po dito sa BUCAL, nakapasok po kami sa finals at gagawin po namin ang best namin para manalo.
Of course, it's not easy to reach the finals. What is the team's motivation naman to your succeeding games?
Motivation po namin is yung makarating lang po dito sa championship at maiuwi namin ang panalo.
You now have the floor to invite the ACC community and all basketball fans to watch and support the Green Serpents this championship games. Please invite the ACC community to watch and support the Green Serpents.
I-invite ko yung mga andon sa nanonood sa amin dito. Ayun.
Thank you and best of luck to the whole team. This is Eliza Faith Potesa Respeto reporting on the side of Armando Cope College Green Serpents, only here on One Media, T48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that report. So, Beltran is very grateful because first appearance sa finals pa. Also very excited to head-to-head against the defending champion. So we'll see if they can continue their confidence and their momentum here at the finals, Game 1.
Ayan nga, kikilalanin natin ang ating starting lineup for this finals of the BUCAL Juniors Basketball. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers.
And after this match, one team will have the advantage and one will have to bounce back to redeem themselves. Welcome in this BUCAL Season 5 Men's Juniors Basketball Division Championship Game 1. Officiators in this match is from the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Naga City Elite Referees, Mr. Jomar Gorom, Edmond Farround, and Mr. Bonanong Chumasera. And brought to you by One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Players, when your name is called, please proceed on the right side of the court facing the ACC crowd. And now, let us start calling the players of the ACC Green Serpents. Starting up with jersey number 4, Phil Justin Cadores. Jersey number 14, Ray Balana. Jersey number 10, Junmar Madrona. Jersey number 18, Christian Dave Mayor. And jersey number 16, John Alec Mayor. Jersey number 9, Kian Paulo Vargas. Jersey number 15, Nico Mirabreno. Jersey number 6, Han Christian Beltran. Jersey number 8, Carl Joshua Salaw. Jersey number 11, Carl Cedric Mansos. Jersey number 12, John Christopher Balin. Jersey number 5, Justin Brixarano. Jersey number 7, Jasnil Cardino Avila. And jersey number 19, Pascual J. Angelo. Jersey number 17, Julian Sevillano. And head coach for the ACC Green Serpents is Mr. John Rodriguez. NCF CUBS, when your name is called, please proceed proceed on the left side of the court and face the NCF crowd. And let us now meet the defending champions of BUCAL Season 5, the NCF CUBS! Starting off with jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre. Jersey number 28, Mark Joseph Bernabe. Jersey number 13, John Benedict Borromeo. Jersey number 21, Mark Gerald Campana. Jersey number 16, Dave Gianan. Jersey number 7, Tim Gipa. Jersey number 1, Von Hedrick Hernandez. Jersey number 22, Jomel Nicoloria. And jersey number 10, Ross Dandre Mahum. Jersey number 24, Christian Manzanares. Jersey number 30, Joshua Rodrigueza. Jersey number 8, Xavier Supin. Jersey number 67, Johnson Toca. Jersey number 12, R.D. Vargas. And jersey number 14, Kojan Saduro. Head coach is Mr. Brian Ayo. Players and coaches and audience, please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. You may now take your seat. Players and coaches, shake hands. This is BUCAL Season 5 Men's Juniors Basketball Division Championship Game 1. Hashtag Built to Win. Kalaro kita, hindi kalaban. Tip off!
And that's it. Yung lineup for the ACC Green Serpents and NCF Junior Cubs. In just a few minutes, magsimula na po ang ating Game 1 of the Juniors Basketball Finals. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. Now, that's the first 5 of both teams.
So, panatindihing nakatuto
ACC
sa ating live stream.
Serpent versus NCF Tigers. Game 1 Finals. First 5.
Just a few minutes, we're going to start the Game 1 of the Juniors Basketball Finals. Simulan na po ang bakbakang NCF and ACC. We're all excited for this matchup. First time ng ACC Green Serpents sa ating finals, while the NCF Tigers, they will defend their title. Now, tip-off. First ball possession, kanino kayo mapupunta? Now, ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 17, Sevillano, handling the ball now. Passes to jersey number 18, Mayor. Mayor. Lose the ball here. Now, offensive rebound. First point for Nina Bueno.
Now, NCF Basketball. Mahilom. Passes to his teammate Vargas. Vargas. Passes to the right. Deep 3. Malayo.
Now ACC Green Serpents on the lead of 2 here. Jersey number 18. Now tries again. But there was a whistled foul. Tatawagan nga ng foul dyan si jersey number 10 na Hilog. So jersey number 15 of ACC, Mira Bueno, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. First attempt is good. So you can hear the crowd of the ACC. This is their first time na susuporta sa ating ACC Green Serpent Juniors Basketball. Now, Mira Bueno again. 2/2 para sa kanyang free throw.
Na ball possession ngayon ng Tigers. A 4-point lead. Vargas may hawak ng bola. Passes to his teammate. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Now Tigers. Vargas tries for 3. Malayo. Balik sa Tigers ang bola. Again, no good for that attempt. Now 10 seconds to shoot. Vargas. Pass. No good.
Now ACC, Mira Bueno passes to Beltran. 19 seconds to shoot here. Grabing depensa pinapakita ng NCF Junior Cubs. Now Mira Bueno. Sevillano passes to Mira Bueno. Tries for a tip 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito para kay jersey number 4 Codores. Pero away shot. Wala pa rin. Ball possession na pumunta sa side ng ating NCF Tigers.
Ball possession of the Tigers. Now Vargas. Nahirapan sila dito because of the defense of the ACC. Passes to his teammate. 5 seconds to shoot. Vargas. And that's gonna be a 2 points.
Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Sevillano now handling the ball. Didiretso dito. Tries for a layup. Too short for that one.
Now again, ball possession ng Tigers. Vargas tries for 3. Wala pa rin.
Now jersey number 12, Vargas of the NCF Tigers is on the free throw line. First shot was good. Now will they tie the game to ACC Green Serpents for 4-all? Let's see as Vargas will take again. Pero meron pa siyang isang chance for this 3-point play. 7 minutes and 21 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Now Vargas. That's it. We are tied of now. ACC basketball. Madrona handling the ball now. Passes here to jersey number 18, Mayor. Mayor going inside and pass para dito kay Mira Bueno. What a combination play between these two players of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now NCF basketball, Vargas. Now Tigers. Chance to counter. Tries for 3. Puts it away.
Now, ngayon nagkakapalitan ng puntos. Now, another 2 points coming from Madrona.
Now, chance to counter dito. Campana. Passes to his teammate. No good for that attempt.
Now a foul was called to Bernabe of the NCF Tigers. 8-7. Na-warning nga dito ang team captain ng ACC Green Serpents for technical and unsportsmanship. Itong si Beltran. But now, still on the lead ang ACC Green Serpents. 8-7 sa ating scoreboard with 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, there's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Pero ngayon, batiin lang muna natin ang ating live audience dito sa ating BUCAL Facebook page. Shoutout kay Cherry Ann Bognalos, Samieros, Castitas, Rob Albert, Chris, kay Kate Bodoso, John Wayne Salcedo, Joey Bugay Villanueva, at Hani Salaw. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay dito. And while the referees are discussing something here, pero napakagandang pagsimula ng bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na to. Now, ACC with the ball. Madrona handling. Guarded here by Hernandez. Now passes to jersey number 4, Codores. Mayor in and out ball. Pero offensive rebound. Galing dito kay Codores plus a bonus point. So a chance for a 3-point play dito kay Codores. Still on the lead ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Maganda pass sa kanila ng ating first quarter. Now Codores for a bonus point here.
Now, medyo nahihirapan dito din ang Tigers to penetrate their inside shooting. Also, their outside shooting because of the defense ng AC. Talaga naman pinaghandaan nila ang game mo na to. Now, Tigers chance to counter. That's gonna be an NCF ball. 12 seconds to shoot for Tigers. Sutpin to inbound. Seconds shoot Sutpin. Pass to the right corner. Medyo malayo.
Now ACC Green Serpents. Codores again with the ball. Jump shot. No good. Offensive rebound ni Mirabueno. The ball will stay on their side. With 14 seconds to shoot. Mayor to inbound. Now, pass to Madrona. Madrona, didiretso on the inside. Fadeaway shot. That's good. Napakagandang conversion of point yun. Galing kay Madrona.
Wow, ang ganda ng tira na yon. Now, Tigers. Chance to counter. That's gonna be the ball of the ACC.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Chance to widen the gap here against the NCF Tigers. Jersey number 18. Now, secure the ball. Didiretso sa loob. Codores. Pero, mapupunta ang bola sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Now, NCF basketball. Campana. Passes to his teammate. Passes to the corner. No good with their 3 points. Now again, chance to counter. 10 seconds to shoot. The try. No good.
Now Madrona. Handed the ball. Grabbing defense na pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers. Now!
And a steal of the Tigers. The layup. That was good. The crowd's loving it. For Campana.
Just a 3-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Nakahabol dito ng NCF. Now another steal.
Another steal. That's good. A back-to-back layup, a back-to-back points for Campana. At napatawag dito ng timeout ang Amando Coppy College. Only 1 point first quarter. Let's look at that replay. A good move and a good point for Campana. Magbabalik po kami for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back.
No. ACC ball possession to. Madrona. Hello. Jersey number 17, Sevillano. Handing the ball now. Pass to Madrona. Tries for a dip 3. No good. No, ACC Green Serpents still on the lead of 1, pero too strong sa pasa na yan, jersey number 17, Sevillano. So a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. No, Madrona nagmamadali. Beltran now. Pan-serve rebound. Codores. Pinagkakaisahan dito na Beltran on the side. What will he do with just 12 seconds to shoot? Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Second remaining para rin sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Bang pa rin sila dito ng isa. Sevillano passes to Madrona. Madrona now going inside for a layup, pero hindi pa yung naipasok. No, Sevillano going inside, no good. Now ACC basketball. Sevillano now holding the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Passes on the inside. Mira Bueno. Madrona for a jump shot. In and out ball. We try again for the second time. That's it. We try it again on 13 all. NCF basketball now.
The point, the chance to counter. Yes. Madali! Wow! Puts it away.
Sevillano passes to Madrona now. Madrona. 19 seconds to shoot here for the ACC Green Serpents with the last 47 seconds of the first quarter. Defensive rebound. Madrona. Wala pa rin. Will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Well, it's ACC's basketball again with just 14 seconds to shoot here. Sevillano. What will they do now with the last 10 seconds? Wala pa rin para dito sa ACC. Sevillano passes to Beltran. Last 12 seconds of our first quarter. Lamang dito ang NCF Tigers ng dalawa. Passes now to Madrona. That's it. Nakapuntos muli. And we are tied on 15 all sa pagtapos po ng ating first quarter. Napakagandang aksyon na nakita natin sa ating first quarter. Magbabalik po kami for second quarter for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back on the action. A great end for our first quarter. Ending it with 15 all. Wow, Tin. Ano ang masasabi mo sa ating game 1 of the finals?
Well, Aljan, as you can see right now, napakagandang laban ay pinapakita sa atin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents as well as the NCF Junior Cubs. Kaya titignan natin if this will continue up until our fourth quarter. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers.
No, NCF basketball. Passes. Hernandez. No good for that attempt.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 14 seconds to shoot here. Sevillano passes now to Beltran. Madrona tries for a depth 3, no good. Defensive rebound dito, Morabueno to Beltran. Tries again for 3. This time, pasok na yan para sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, NCF basketball. Vargas passes to his teammate. Giba. Medyo napalakas ang pasa na yon. At para makarinig tayo ng update from the NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, anong update siya?
Thank you, Dean and Alton. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded to execute properly their game system this quarter. Huwag papadala sa pressure at gawin lang ang dapat gawin. Kailangan din paganahin ang communication inside the court for a good ball rotation. They are also reminded by the backs out that they need to implement for this quarter. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Skyla. Yan na. Sabi pa ng NCF Tigers sa kanilang best to get this win against the ACC Green Serpents now. NCF Tigers. May natawagan pa dyan ng offensive foul. So this would be the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. So mga dito ang ACC sa tatlong puntos at para makahilig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagan natin ang ating court sa report si Ali. Hayaan lang ang update natin dyan.
Reminded the boys that in order for them to secure their win, they must communicate well inside the hard court to minimize their errors. Always look for your teammates and go for the help side. On this ball game, we will witness the relentless hiss of the Serpents leader this ball game. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. So a great reminder to minimize their errors and really strengthen their communication. Coming up for our second quarter.
Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Beltran now. Dumedrano. In and out ball.
Now NCF.
No chance again for the ACC. We have a point here. Diretso sa loob, but a steal by the NCF.
Of the Tigers. Back-to-back steal. Now, makukuha yan. Tigers. Vargas. Vargas is heavily guarded. Passes to teammate Janan. Back to Janan. No good for his attempt.
Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. 18-15 sa ating talaan. Now, Beltran. Passes to Madrona, tries for 3. Medyo hindi pa na ipapasok dito ni Madrona yung kanyang mga tres. Pero dun sa mga nakaraan nilang laban kung saan talagang napakaganda ng performance niya. Ngayon, medyo nakukulangan tayo sa pinapakita ni Madrona. But let's see sa mga susunod pang quarter.
That's routine. Now, Tigers, chance to counter. Balik kay Janan. Now Vargas passes on the right. 10 seconds to shoot. And that's gonna be a traveling.
We're still on 18-15 all sa ating second quarter. Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Sevillano now handling the ball for the ACC. Passes here to Mayor. Papasok sa loob, a pass. Pero, the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Six minutes and 37 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now, a quick two coming from the ACC.
Now, Tigers basketball. Vargas. Passes to his teammate. Campano passes on the right. Here's the number 17 of ACC. It's down. Now NCF basketball. On the corner. An ACC steal.
Now ACC's basketball. Codores now handling the ball. Lamang sila dito ng 5. Now Beltran passes here to Mayor. Tries for a deep 3. Wala pa rin para sa side ng ACC Green Serpents on the outside shooting.
Now Tigers on the counter. Loria passes to his teammate. On the right. Puts it away. For Campana.
Now, kung ang NCF dito nagpapaulan ng 3. Sa side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, medyo nahihirapan sila dito sa kanilang outside shooting.
Wow, ang gandang depensa. Pinapakita ngayon ng Tigers. Now Tigers. Chance to counter here. That's gonna be a turnover.
Well, this would be ACC's basketball. Dalawa na lamang dito hinahabol ng NCF Tigers for our first half. 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining para dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Mayor. Handing the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. Beltran. Passes on the inside para kay Mira Bueno. But that's a traveling violation committed by the ACC Green Serpents.
Now NCF basketball. Supin, mahawak ng bola dito. Passes on the corner. That 3, napasobra.
Nagmamadali dito ang ACC. Now, libre dyan si Codores to cut another point for the ACC Green Serpents.
Now Tigers, chance para makabawi. Passes to Campana for 3. Wala.
Now, Avila secure the ball for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Mayor, pass sa the corner pero medyo napalakas yan. So that will be a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. Napatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang ating NCF Tigers. 22-18 sa ating scoreboard with 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. Magbabalik pa po kami for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kapyon.
Back on the action, 22-18. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Still, naunguna pa rin dito ang Amando Cope College. We'll see if the Tigers can close the gap here before the quarter ends. Now, Tigers basketball. Balik kay Sutpin. Passes to his teammate. Heavily guarded. That's gonna be a traveling. And with that, Naga yun. So, Ravel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories.
Now, ACC's basketball. Jersey number 18, Mayor, had the ball down. Lamang pa rin sila dito ng 4 against the NCF Tigers. Now, Mayor. With 15 seconds to shoot. Passes here. Diretso sa loob. Napakaganda points galing kay Avila.
Now, NCF basketball. Sutpin passes to his teammate Campana on the corner. They're having a hard time here. 5 seconds to shoot. An inside pass, heavily guarded. No good.
Now the ball will be on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. They just need to be complacent, or they just need to be consistent with their actions here inside the court. Now Beltran passes to Avila again, in and out ball, sayang yun.
Now defensive rebound from the Tiger. Sutphin. Dire-diretso, passes to the corner. Napasobra. Still NCF basketball. Now the Tigers is having a hard time to penetrate a points. And yes, a timeout was called by the NCF Tigers. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. For more action, we will be right back.
We are back again here at ACC Nation para sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ng ACC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers. Now ball possession of the NCF.
Now NCF basketball. And that's gonna be a turnover.
Now ACC's basketball. Ngayon now to inbound. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Now Beltran heavily guarded here. What will he do with just 13 seconds to shoot, Beltran? Pero that's an offensive foul. Tinawag kay Beltran.
That's gonna be an offensive foul for Beltran. Now NCF basketball. Sutphin to inbound. Balik kay Sutphin. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Pass on the corner. Nagmamadali. Balik kay Sutphin for 3. Wala pa rin. That's gonna be a foul for Beltran. Back-to-back foul.
Foul trouble na itong si Beltran, team captain ng ACC Green Serpents. Kanina pa siya natatawagan ng foul dito.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Campana to inbound. Makahabol kaya sila dito or maklose ang gap before this quarter ends. Now, chance to counter. 10 seconds to shoot. Balik ka Sutphin. Sutphin. Jersey number 2, the ACC, is foul. And Loria will step on the free throw line. No good for his first attempt. For his second try, a little bit short. No ACC basketball.
No ACC. Avila. For a jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound dito. Now Mayor. Still have the ball. Torres now on the inside. Loses the ball.
An NCF steal. A back-to-back steal.
Now Madrona. 1 minute and 31 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Another steal. Now, Tigers nagmamadali dito.
Now Madrona nagmamadali dito. Again, back-to-back steal sa dalawang kapunan nito. Nagmamadali sila.
An assist. No good.
Now, a lot of turnovers has been happening between these two teams now. Madrona of the ACC. Papasok sa loob for a layup.
Now, umaarangkada na dito ang ACC and Tigers. Have to do something about it. Now, heavily guarded. Tries in and out.
Now, ACC basketball. Substitution na nga para dito sa dalawang kapunan nito. Vargas to inbound. Halos lahat na nga ng players sa side ng ACC Green Serpents penalitan na. Bago pa magtapos itong ating second quarter, titignan natin kung ano nga ba dito ang plano sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Now, Madrona with the last 36 seconds of the first half. Madrona now heavily guarded but a steal by the NCF.
A steal and assist. Wala pa rin. Wow, nahihirapan talaga sila dito sa kanilang inside shooting. 25 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 26-18. Now Tigers, chance to counter. Campana tries for deep three. An offensive rebound. That's going to be a foul for jersey number 12 of ACC.
Now we have 13 seconds remaining bago magtapos po ang ating first half.
Loria is stepping on the free throw line. No good for his first attempt. That's gonna be a good 1 point.
So ACC Green Serpents will they get a point bago pa magtapos ang ating first half. Jersey number 19, Pascual. 3 seconds to shoot here for the ACC. And that's it. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half with 26-19 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik po kami for our second half only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
NCF side. So our volunteers will be throwing the Havaianas beach ball. Kapag nag-stop yung music, nahawak niyo po yung Havaianas beach ball, automatic kasali na po kayo dito sa ating Havaianas Hava Shot Challenge. Carry on! Alright! Alright! BSP, please throw the beach ball. Okay, pasa lang po natin. Pasa po. Pasa po natin yung bola. Alright, sino ang may hawak? Okay, sino ang hawak niya? Yes! Baba na po kayo yung may hawak ng bola. So, ikaw po naka-color navy blue. Siya po. And from the NCF crowd. Okay, another round po. Please, once again, throw the beach ball po. Alright, kanino nag-stop? Alright, baba na po kayo dito para magsimula na ang ating Havaianas Hava Shot Challenge. Alright, yung mga nakakuha po ng bola, dito na po tayo. Tabihan nyo na po ako dito. Alright, may kasama na tayo dito. Brad, pakilala ka muna, Brad.
Adrian Huwit po.
Yan, si Adrian from NCF. Alright, he is from the home of the champions, NCF. Pero bago yan, ito muna ang mechanics ng ating Havaianas Hava Shot Challenge. Mag-shoot kayo, isang attempt lang sa free throw line. Kapag hindi nyo nakuha yung isang attempt, pipili ulit tayo ng volunteers coming from the ACC community and the NCF community. So, one shot lang. Brad, sigaw ka muna, have a shot! Sigaw ka, have a shot, bago magsimula ang ating challenge. Have a shot! Have a shot! Yes! Punta ka na sa free throw line to take your have a shot. Alright! Okay lang yan, Kuya. Still, thank you very much for participating in this Havaianas Hava Shot Challenge. Thank you very much. Alright, dito naman tayo sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. Make some noise coming from Tabaco City, Albay. Alright, Kuya. Kuya, wait lang. Bago ka mag-take ng free throw, sigaw ka muna. Have a shot! On the shot! Alright, you may not take your free throw. Thank you so much, Kuya. Still, thank you so much for participating. Ikaw, Brad. Ano pangalan natin, Brad?
Aaron po.
Yun, you are from the defending champions, the NCF Tigers. Now, sigaw ka muna. Have a shot.
How does it?
Yes, go to the free throw line and take your shot. Thank you so much, cell phone. He made the first shot. So may we invite here on the center court, the BUCAL Board President, Mr. Mario Villanueva, Mr. Don Razon, and Miss Marie from Havana's Marketing Officer. Picture mo na, Brad. Alright, congratulations to our first winner from the NCF crowd. Ito naman tayo, Kuya. Pakilala ka muna, Kuya.
John Anthony Borlagdan po.
You're from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. So, Kuya, sigaw ka muna. Have a shot. Alright, go to the free throw line and take your shot. Alright, thank you so much, Kuya, for participating. So, magaliwan, dalawang volunteer from the NCF crowd and dalawa naman sa ACC community. Kung sino po mauna, yun po ang mag-have a shot. Lapit na po kayo dito. Alright, we have our first participant coming from the ACC. Alright, Brad. Pakilala ka muna, Brad.
Jan Emil.
Yes. You know the mechanics. Take the shot from the free throw line and get lucky kung ikaw ang mananalo dito sa ating Havana Saba shot. Sige ko mo, have a shot!
Have a shot!
Alright, go to the free throw line and take your shot. Free throw po. Sa akin, Kuya, thank you so much for participating in this Saba shot. Kuya, ikaw naman, pakilala ka muna, Kuya, and from saan kang school, Kuya?
From the side of NCF.
Yes, he's coming from the NCF crowd. So, Kuya, sigaw ka muna, have a shot. Have a shot! Alright, take a shot in the free throw line. Cheer mo kayo, ACC crowd! Ay, NCF! Sorry. Havana ACC naman. Thank you so much, Kuya, for participating now. Dito ulit tayo sa ACC. So, Kuya, pakilala ka muna.
Patrick po.
Yes, thank you so much sa pag-volunteer now. Bago ka mag-shoot na free throw, siya ka muna. Have a shot.
Mana shot.
Have a shot, Kuya. Have a shot.
Have a shot.
Yes, thank you so much. Take your shot at the free throw line. Alright, cheer, ACC community. Thank you so much, Kuya, for participating. We have our last participant here. Brad, pakilala ka muna, Brad.
I am Jonathan Capardo from NCF.
Yes, he is from the side of the NCF CUBS. Sigaw ka, Brad. Have a shot.
Have a shot.
Yes, thank you so much. Go to the free throw line and take your shot. Congratulations, Kuya! Please claim your prize. Coming from the BUCAL Board President, Mr. Mario Villanueva, Chairman Commissioner, Mr. Don Rizon, and Miss Iris Oresca, Miss Kaugma 2023. Thank you so much to those who participated in Havana's Have a Shot. Enjoy the rest of the ball game. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat.
Wala pa rin.
Now, Tigers basketball. We'll see if they can penetrate the points here. On the three. No good. Offensive rebound. An assist. 7 seconds to shoot. No good. NCF pa rin. Offensive rebound. Puts it away for Gianan.
Now ACC Green Serpents still on the lead sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. 26-21, 5-point lead here now. Green Serpents on the corner. Para dito kay Sevillano. Tries for 3. Wala pa rin.
NCF basketball.
Quarter, they are reminded to lessen their turnovers because this is a crucial game. Marami din nakita lang turnovers kaya pinaalahan na sila about it. They are reminded by the adjustment they need to have this quarter to lessen the gap. They're also reminded by the ball rotation they need and the height advantage that they need to use. Before the end of the huddle, they motivate each other to help them boost their confidence, and they are also motivated by the words of wisdom of their coaches. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you. True, madaming naiitala ang Tigers ng turnovers and also their confidence. Kasi iba yung play nila ng quarterfinals dito sa finals. Medyo shaky ang start nila and they have to really wake up because this is the third quarter at lamanga ang Serpents.
Kaya titignan natin kung mapapantayan kaya na NCF Tigers dito ang energy ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Hi Ali, ano ang update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljon here. Now on the second half of this matchup, and the Serpents are effectively slithering this ballgame. During the huddle, despite the lead, the boys were still reminded to look for the most open man and make sure to follow the system in order for them to execute a better rotation. Just relax and make sure to be alert. Execute your 1-3-1 defense effectively. Enough with the lazy passes because the Serpents are definitely not a lousy players. This game will not be a walk in the park, kaya mas magtyaga at mas magtrabaho. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Senator.
Thank you so much. A walk in the park game because we know that NCF Tigers can win a game. Now the Serpents ball rotation kasi doon sila nakakakuha ng points.
Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents now. Medyo nahihirapan pa sila dito sa kanilang outside shooting, and I think wala pa tayo na i-record na 3-point shot sa side ng ating ACC. Meron isa. But now let's see. They can gain a point here on the last sequence. That's good. Para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Torres.
Now Tigers basketball. Chance to counter here. A pass. Bernabe will step in on the free throw line. And shout out sa ating mga online viewers na si Rick Puerta na laging nakatutok sa laro ng Tigers. Nakagawan dito ng bola. Still NCF basketball. Vargas to inbound. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Passes. On jersey number 28. Makukuha ni Beltran.
Now ACC Green Serpents. Sila the lead of 7. Mayor passes to Sevillano. Now Beltran with 13 seconds to shoot here. Pass on the corner. Sevillano. But the ball will stay on their side with just 7 seconds to shoot here. Now Madrona will be back on the hard court to add a fuel for the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now a double substitution here for the Tigers, trying to get them for this third quarter.
Now Codores for 3.
Na makukuha ng Tigers yan. At mabibitawan, another turnover. The ball will go to the ACC.
Si Toka, still, meron pa siyang sugat dyan sa mata caused by the last game against the ACL Seahawks. Now,
the rebound will go to the NCF. Nagmamadali, the rebound, no good. Still NCF basketball. Basagre. To inbound. Passes to Toka. Toka. Passes to his teammate Basagre. Heavily guarded here. Toka. Trying to make a way but still.
no, Madrona nagmamadali dito for a fadeaway jump shot. That's good para dito kay Madrona. Naitas na nga nila dito ang kalabangan against the NCF Tigers.
Now Tigers. Basagre is heavily guarded. But a foul for jersey number 18. Now Toka has the ball. Heavily guarded here.
No, nagkakagawan pa dito ng bola, Beltran. Passes it. Still, Codores on the inside. Passes. Hindi pa naipasok dyan. The ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now 4 minutes 46 seconds. Really Tigers naghahabol pa rin. Basagre. Giba. Passes to his teammate. No good. Tries again. Wala pa rin. "14 seconds on the shot clock. The Tigers are really struggling because of the heavy defense of the Serpents. And that's gonna be a clear traveling. We're brought to you by Naga and Traveling Tours. Live your dreams, create memories.
No ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Medyo hindi pa nailalabas itong dalawang koponan na ito. Yung kanilang laro dito sa ating Game 1. Napatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang ating NCF Tigers. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 32-23 now, Aljon. Sabi ko nga kanina, medyo hindi pa nailalabas itong dalawang koponan na ito, yung energy nila. As well as yung game na napanood natin simula nung elimination up until the semifinals. So, kahit yung ating mga manonood ngayon, naghahanap sila ng NCF. Pero baka maya-maya maging bakbak.
Talaga namang, even ako naghihintay ako nung talaga ipinakita nila ng quarterfinals and semifinals kasi ibang-iba yung laro nila their previous game and now the game 1 of the final. So we'll see. Dito naman sa side ng Tigers, naghahapol pa rin sila because of the hard defense of the Serpents. Nahihirapan sila sa inside shooting. At dito naman sa Serpents, they are really maximizing those lapses of NCF. So magandang tapatan to. Talaga naghihintay lang tayong mainit na bakbakan for this game 1.
Yes, sinabi mo nga kanina outside shooting during our halftime. Yeah, 2 lamang po ang naitalang 3 points sa side ng NCF while 1 lamang sa ating ACC Green Serpents compared doon sa kanilang mga last game na talaga namang nagpapaulan sila ng 3. But let's see now, as we are now back on the ball game, this is the NCF basketball.
Now Giba to inbound. Over the ball will go to the Serpents.
Now ball possession of the ACC Serpents. They're on the lead now of 9. And they can widen the gap against the NCF as Mayor handing the ball. Now pass here to Madrona. Madrona with 12 seconds to shoot. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 14 seconds to shoot. ACC Green Serpents basketball. Now Mayor. Pass here to Madrona. Tries for 3. Wala pa rin.
Now a good defensive rebound from the Tigers. Now signaling for play Basagre. Now jump shot. That's good.
We are now down to the last 3 minutes and 30 seconds of our third quarter. Still, you can see the full potential of these two teams. ACC's basketball. Mayor. Pass now to Codores. Now Codores tries for a dip 3. No good. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with just 14 seconds to shoot here. Now, Mayor, medyo nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng NCF. Passes on the outside to Beltran. Now, still ACC, Mayor. Medyo nahihirapan sa kanilang outside shooting. Madrona again. Fade away shot. That's good this time.
Now the Tigers. Chance to counter here. Yanan passes to his teammate. And turnover.
A chance for the ACC here. Naitas na kanila dito sa 10. ACC Green Serpents against the NCF Tigers. Now, ball possession of the ACC. Mayor to inbound. Now Mayor. Passes to Madrona. Heavily guarded here by Gianan. No. Beltran passes to Codores. Block. But still the ball is alive. Mira Bueno too short for that one. Wala pa rin for the second chance point. That's it. Basketball of NCF.
A good defense there, Toko.
Now back-to-back turnover here. Madrona, didiretso passes to Codores. This time, there's a foul whistle. On the free throw line for 2 shots here. Nasa penalty na nga po ang ating NCF Tigers. 35-25. With 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. No good for that first attempt of Codores. We'll try again for the second time. No, NCF's basketball.
Now Gian passes to his teammate. Hernandez. Zianan. 10 seconds to shoot. Bernabe. Now the tries. Medyo kapos.
Now a long pass to Codores. Didiretso for a layup. Wala yan. Pero second chance point. May naitawag ang foul dyan. Palamang na palamang itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Mira Bueno is on the free throw line. 2 shots here. A minute and 32 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter ng ating finals game 1 for our junior. Mira Bueno. That's good for his first try. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating seniors basketball finals game 1. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACC Green Serpents. Now, that's 3/2 para dito kay Mira Bueno.
Now NCF basketball. Chance to counter here. Bernabe passes to Hernandez. Hernandez heavily guarded. The offensive rebound. That's good.
Back to 10-point lead here. Mayor for the ACC. Passes to Avila. Tries for a deep 3. Big 3 coming from Avila. The But that's a double dribble. Babalik sa NCF Tigers. Bola with 40-27 sa ating scoreboard. With the last 45 seconds of our third quarter.
Now NCF basketball. Vargas to inbound. And Campana is in. The long pass. And a violation. Number 6, Beltran is foul. Now Hernandez of NCF is in. A good 1 point to Bernabe. The offensive rebound goes to NCF. Heavily guarded here. No good for her first attempt. 28 seconds remaining on the shot clock. That's good for Gyanan.
Now ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Sevillano handling the ball now with 17 seconds to shoot. Passes to Avila. But that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Basketball. What will they do here? In 10 seconds. A long three, a miss. Makukuha pa rin ng Tigers yan. Wala pa rin. At nakakuha pa dito ng foul si Janan.
Still on the lead itong ating ACC Green Serpents ng 11 points. Meron na lamang tayong 0.6 sa ating third quarter.
Now for his second try. A clean free throw. And that's gonna be the end of our third quarter. 40-31. A safe deficit for Amando Cope College. At magbabalik po kami for our last quarter. For more action, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back again here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our fourth and last quarter of the finals game 1 of the ACC Green Serpents and NCF Junior Cubs. Now, still on the lead itong ating ACC Green Serpents, 40-31, 9-point lead. Now, ball possession of the ACC. Sevillano pass to Codores. Now, Mira Bueno on the inside. A foul. Pasok pa yan. So, chance for a 3-point opportunity dito para kay Mira Bueno. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Shoutout kay Ina Marie Malinisa, Ken Allen Salazar, kay Jervy Nunez, Rana Luis, Trixie Chu at kay Marion Cholo Borbor Arana. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay.
Now, NCF trying to make a way for this last quarter. Bernabe passes to Vargas. 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded. And that's gonna be a foul. Jenan will step in on the free throw line. Habang umaarangkada ang Amando Cope College para makarinig tayo ng updates all the way from their bench. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Aljan. We are now on the last quarter of the game and the Serpents are still on the lead, making sure to get their advantage on the next ball game. During the huddle, the coaches emphasized to the boys na mas pakihan pa dahil hindi pa tapos. Always face the basket and be confident to get to the rim and drive into bigger bodies. Fourth quarter is the most important quarter considering that it will be the deciding quarter of this ball game. Kaya naman walang lalamya. Put your 100% effort. Make sure to protect your lead. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Alvin.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, don't think the place on the side of the ACC Green Serpents kahit pa nasa kanilang kalamangan dahil nasabi sa nila. The fourth quarter is the very crucial quarter of the game. Kaya tingnan natin if the NCF Tigers will ba dito or the ACC Green Serpents, they will be consistent on their scoring.
Now, Vargas for that 3-point. Oh, good.
Now, AC's basketball. Medyo nahirapan ba dito ang ating NCF Tigers para makingin naman tayo ng update all the way from their side. Tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Aljon. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and for the last quarter, they are reminded to double their effort because this is their chance to have the advantage. They're also reminded to double their effort in terms of executing their game system for this quarter. Coaches reminds them to stay patient inside the court and stay on their composure. Mas kailangan pang paganahin ang matibay na opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa for this quarter. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Opensa at depensa ang kailangan dito ng Tigers to really close the gap here because it's the fourth quarter at lamang ang Amando Cope College, and who will take the game one, surely they will have the confidence to snatch the succeeding games.
Now, magpapahinga muna nga si Beltran dito, team captain ng ACC Green Serpents because he was down a while ago. What will be the new strategies of the ACC dito?
Now, Janan misses that first free throw. That's good, making sure na makukuha niya ang second attempt.
Now ACC's basketball, 45-34. Sevillano now with the ball. Passes. Seven seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 4, Codores. A big three coming from Codores. Now, mas palaki yung mga nila ang kalamangan against the NCF Tigers.
Now Vargas passes on the corner. That's good. Challenging the defenders. Gianan really pumping it up.
Now ACC's basketball. Mayor passes now to Madrona. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now Codores again. May hawak ng bola for the ACC Green Serpents. 9 seconds to shoot here. Codores going inside, laying it up, and making a point for the ACC Green Serpents.
Now Tigers umaarangkada. Now NCF basketball. Vargas to inbound. Passes to his teammate. And he gets a foul. Gets that foul.
Ayun nga. Mintes, yung unang free throw dito ni Manzanares. But he will try again for the second time.
Now, as I can see, Tin, ngayon bumabawi ang Tigers, which is very crucial kasi this is the last quarter where the gap talaga namang na-dominate ng Armando Cope College. If ever man natrabahuhin nila ito, I couldn't see anything more from the Tigers, pero umaarangkada ang Armando Cope College. And for Armando naman, they really have to maximize this safe deficit in closing this match.
Now, Madrona with that offensive rebound. Passes on the inside. Medyo nahirapan doon sa depensa. Sevillano now handling the ball with 6 seconds to shoot. Sevillano, pero still by the side of the NCF. Kaya mapupunta ang ball possession sa NCF Junior Cubs.
No, NCF basketball. 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Vargas. Passes to Bernabe. Balik kay Bernabe. An inside pass and puts it away.
Now, 11 na lamang dito ang kalabangan ng ACC Green Serpents. Mayor, 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Now still by the NCF, didiretso doon. Pero mintas pa yan. Chance for the ACC to widen the gap here. Sevillano passes now to Mayor. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now Madrona for the jump shot. Napakaganda nun.
Now Tigers. Chance to counter here. And a foul. Well, let's look at it again. A good assist for the Serpents. The Tigers chance to counter. Vargas for deep 3. No good. Makukuha yan ni Manzanares. Manzanares challenging the defenders. Passes to Vargas. And a crucial violation, traveling. Natatid sa inyo yan ng Naga yun. Traveling Tours. Naga yun. Live your dreams, create memories.
The ACC's basketball. 52-39. Sevillano to inbound. Pass to Mayor now. Medyo yung ating first game dito ng ating finals nasa pabor ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But with the last 4 minutes of the game, titignan natin if the NCF Tigers kung babawi ba sila dito.
A defensive rebound. An open man. Puts it away.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan. Ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 52-47 still in favor for the ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back on the hard court. Fourth quarter, 4 minutes and 44 seconds. And now you can hear the both cheers as this quarter comes to an end.
Now, Mayor. 14 seconds to shoot your pass to Madrona. Pero that's a traveling violation brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Now NCF basketball. Still can penetrate a point.
Now ACC's basketball. Sevillano with the ball. Still on the lead. Ang kanilang kapunan dito. Passes on the corner. Contreras now. Back. Mayor. To Madrano. Mayor with just. And that's it. Natawagan na nga na 27 or 24 second shot clock violation. So it's turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now that was a crucial violation for the Serpents. Now Tigers only has 3 minutes and 50 seconds for this fourth quarter. And foul, jersey number 10 of the Serpents. Janan will step on the free throw line. First try, no good. And he makes sure na counted yon.
Now ACC's basketball. Madrona now with the ball. 52-42 back to 10-point lead here. Beltran papasok sa load. Medyo nahirapan dito sa depensa ng NCF Tigers. Ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with just 10 seconds to shoot here. 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining dito sa ating last quarter. Now, Mayor to inbound. Pero still by the NCF. Back-to-back steal here, Madrona. Balik sa ACC ang bola. Now, Madrona to inbound. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Beltran now. And the ball pass to Madrona. Now Mayor. 15 seconds. What will they do now? Still on the lead. Ang kanilang koponan dito. Mayor. To Madrona. Medyo napalakas yan. Kaya turnover again for the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now Tigers opportunity. Sutphin passes to his teammate. Balik sa kanyang bola. Bernabe is asking for a screen. No, balik kay Sutphin. An assist. That's good. That was Borromeo.
Now, ACC Green Serpents. Beltran, heavily guarded here. Passes to Codores. Tries for a dip 3. No good. Beltran for a fun-serve rebound. Wala pa rin.
No defensive rebound. Nakuha ng Tigers. Sutphin. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Bernabe. Pasados. The side. That's good. And the crowd's loving it. Manzanares is now heating up.
Nabuhayin muli ang ating NCF community. with the last 2 minutes and 6 seconds of the game. 5 na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Grabe, change of momentum now in our 4th quarter. Kaya titingnan natin, will it be the NCF or the ACC? Yan nga, the crowd is going wild now as we are now approaching the last 2 minutes of the game.
Now Tigers are still hanging. Basket counts.
But that's an offensive foul. So it's turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Minute and 53 seconds remaining dito. Ano kaya mangyayari? With just a 5-point lead coming from the ACC now. Nandito tayo sa ating pinaka-intense part of the game. Madrona passes to Sevillano. Now Beltran. 18 seconds to shoot here. What will he do? Passes now to Codores. They're taking their time here, heavily guarded by the NCF Cubs. Now he's still by the NCF.
Now sa pin. An assist. Wala pa rin.
Now ACC. Pira Bueno laying that up and getting a point for the ACC Green Serpents, making it a 7-point lead. Now NCF Tigers.
Now Tigers to pin. What will they do? Passes to Manzanares for 3. No good. Let's look at it again.
Grabe, napaka-intense na ng ating laro. Kung kanina medyo naghahanap tayo ng flavor sa laro ng dalawang kupunan nito. Ngayon naman, binibigyan tayo ng kaba. As Kiana now on the free throw line. 54-47. Now making it just a 6-point lead. Will Gayanan
Now, Tin, makikita mo dito talaga nakatayo na ang both NCF and ACC, some of them, 1 minute and 8 seconds still. Lamang pa din ang Serpents.
Now, just 5-point lead. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining here. ACC's basketball. Sevillano now. Passes to Madrona. Now Madrona with 14 seconds to shoot here. Didiretso, but that's a double dribble. So a turnover for the side of the NCF Tigers. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan. Ang ating NCF Tigers. 54-49 with the last 55 seconds of the game. Grabe yung naging bakbakan. Napakaganda nung ating laro nung last 3 minutes na lamang. And now, 5-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, I think Tiger, I commend the Tiger for really hanging on. But the Amando Copy College, the first few quarters, na-domina talaga nila.
Yes.
Dito naman sa Tigers, if they did it on the first 3 quarters, maybe baka nadikitan pa nila ang kalamangan ng Amando Copy College. But I cannot say kasi 55 seconds remaining. Who knows if Tigers can close the gap here or can Amando Copy College win the game 1 of the finals?
Yes, talaga namang this is the finals of the juniors basketball. Napakaganda ng aksyon na ipinapakita nila dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And of course, nakadagdag din naman talaga sa motivation ng ating mga players. Itong ating live audience dito sa loob, the supporters of the ACC and NCF. Siyempre, shoutout din tayo dito sa ating live audience na sumusuporta sa ating dalawang kupunan. Shoutout kay Clark Bonaobra, Rodcar Torres, Charles O. and Apin, Donna Villegas, Sofia Dorian, Kim Joshua Vergara, Laika Peñaverde, kay Kenneth Tabinas at kay Monique Yaguno. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Now, NCF basketball. Bernabe to inbound. Pressure is on. passes to his teammates at Finn. Passes to his teammate. An assist! Now, makukuha ng Tigers. Tries one more time. No good. Wala pa rin. That's gonna be a foul for Jersey. I think jersey number 16 for personal foul. Yung last sequence na yung Tien, sayang. Punto sana yun ng NCF. But let's commend the defenders of the Serpents. Talagang kinakapitan nila regardless kung lamang sila in this fourth quarter.
Yes, hindi nga sila dito naging complacent. Now, ball possession of the ACC Sabeliano with the last 35 seconds of the game. Madrona to Sabeliano again. Beltran, 15 seconds to shoot here. Beltran, pero was a foul there. Last 22 seconds of the game, and the crowd of the ACC is celebrating now. 54-49, just a 5-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang laban po ang ating napanood ngayon dito. Now, ball possession again of the ACC. 14 seconds to shoot here. Sabeliano. Sa kanila pa rin yung bola. Sumasayaw na dito yung crowd ng ating ACC. They're so happy now. Last 19 seconds of the game. Now Sabeliano on the free throw line. No good for that first shot. We'll try again for the second time. Sabeliano. Wala pa rin. Now NCF Tigers basketball with the last 17 seconds of the game. And I think, John, we could finally say that the ACC Green Serpents get the first win in our Game 1 dito sa Juniors Basketball Finals. Again, what a good game between these two teams. And that's it. We've heard it. Nanalo nga po ang ating ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating Game 1 Finals of the Juniors Basketball Team. Napakagandang laban ang hinatid nila sa atin dito ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat po. And again, congratulations sa ating NCF Tigers. Meron pa tayo Game 2. At sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kapyon.
It is now time to recognize the best player of the game, and it is brought to you by Lemon Residences Experience Home Living. The ACC Junior Green Serpents clinched their first win this finals round and is now one step closer to being hailed as BUCAL Season 5 champions. And one player showcases relentless hits, no other than jersey number 10, Junmar Madrona with 15 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, and 6 steals. Congratulations and good afternoon. You are one step closer to clinching the champion glory. Next game, what will be your mindset for you to secure your standing as the champions dito sa BUCAL Season 5?
Mas lalo po namin pagigiyan sa training para po may tama po namin yung mga mali namin, tsaka communication po.
Of course, best player is not an easy milestone to reach. What keeps you motivated naman to do well inside the hardcore?
Gusto ko lang po manalo para may tulong din po sa team tsaka sa school po dahil sobrang supportive po nila sa amin.
Of course, best player of the game. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong i-shout out?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko, kay Papa, sa mama ko na nasa line, tas kay Kuya, sa dalawa ko pang kapatid, tsaka kay Marian po, tsaka kay Sir Art, tsaka sa lahat ng ACC na pumunta dito ngayon, tsaka kay Andre, kay Kuya Nong, kay John Chris, tapos kay John Wine, kay Eman, kay Bong, kay Pando, kay Jake, tsaka si Kuya Jeff, kay Kuya Bok, tsaka sa mga senior po namin, good luck po sa kanila. Tsaka thank you po kay Lord dahil ginabayan niya po kami sa laro namin ngayon.
Thank you and congratulations once again. See you next game. Now this has been Eliza Faith Petcesor Respeto, courtside reporter of Amando Cope College Green Serpents, only here in BUCAL Season 5 1 Media, TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And again, that's our best player of the game for the third time. We have jersey number 10, Junmar Madrona with 15 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, and 6 steals. Again, congratulations to the ACC Green Serpents for getting the first win this game 1 of the finals for the juniors basketball. And still, congratulations sa ating NCF Junior Cubs.
And before we end, we'd like to thank all the live viewers here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. We saw some families, friends, all the way from Albay, from the ACC, and also from the NCF. Thank you very much. Also, I'd like to thank the live stream viewers on Facebook at BUCAL, Oragon Sports TV, and YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And for our next game, it's a big game of the finals, Game 1 of the Seniors Division. It's the Amando Cope College Green Serpents against the Annunciation Bacon College of Sorsogon Panthers.
Ayan nga, Aljon, aabangan po natin yan mamaya. And again, I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Aljon Cibolo Pogoy.
Magkita-kita muli tayo dito maya-maya lang. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.